Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to allocate or how to calculate a per day salary of a particular month when annual salary is given. Okay, the amount for the annual salary is $36,000 for example, and then obviously the monthly salary is about $3,000. Okay, but if you calculate for per day's salary from this $3,000, it will be about $100 per day for a month which has 30 days. Okay, but unfortunately what happens here is that it is not so much straightforward. We have for every month the working days are different, and also it is not calculated for 30 days. Instead it must be a networking days. Okay, and those holidays in the month also will be subtracted. If that is the case, how to allocate or how to calculate a per day salary in a particular month? Okay, for example, I'm going to have a month here in this column. So what I'm going to do is I just to format the cells to MMYY. Okay, it's format cells MMYY. Okay, then here I put January of 2018 for example. So it's January 2018. Similarly MMYY. Okay, 2018 and so on. So I got it for every month. Okay, so in this column. Now for me to calculate the number of working days, I need first day and the last day of the particular month. Okay, how can I get first day of the month? Okay, actually this the 18, right? I want the first day of the month. So for any given date, if you want to find the first day of the month, what you need to do is that you need to get that date, okay, minus, okay, the day part. In this case, if you, even though you put it like this, you can see here what is the date. It is the first day actually. Okay, but for calculation I am not just taking the day of the month. I am taking just this calculation. It could be any date of the month. So I am going to calculate and get how to get the first day of the month. So what happens, I just minus of okay, minus of first date minus of only the day part of the date. Okay, the day part of the date. If I minus of all the days, the day part of the date from the date, what will happen is it will go to the last day of the last month, previous month. Okay, so what I will do, I just add one day, then it will give me the first day of the month. Okay, this formula is very simple. Consider a date. Okay, a date. Okay, that date you minus of that day, that date's days only. Okay, you take the day of that date and minus of it from that, then it will, those many days are minus of, then automatically it will go to the last day of the last month. Okay, then you add 1 to that, then it's a first day of this month. Okay, so similarly for each first day. Okay, why it is showing this format is because I already defined this one as custom format. Go here, format cells, you can see date I selected 14 March 12. Okay, DD month MMM and YY. Okay, this format. Okay, similarly this one also I already defined in that format. Okay, DD MMM YY. Okay, so this is what happening. I want the last day of the current month. First day we already found it. We want the last day of the current month. How can we do this? We can go here. We have a function called EO end of month. Okay, end of month. you can see returns the serial number of the last day of the month before, and after a specified number of months. Okay, I will explain to you how to use this one. EOMONTH, you put the day. Okay, you give any date. Okay, for example, I have this first day, I want the last day of the current month, you put 0. You can see it is the current month. It's supposed to be how many months after. Okay, is 0 months. The current month you put a 0, and if you give any date, in our example we are giving the first day. Okay, it could be any date. This formula is working. Okay, end of month of current month is 0, so it returns the 31st January. For example, if this is instead of 0, if you put -1, it's a previous month's last date, which is the year 2017's 31st day. Okay, December 31st. Then here comes 1st of January. Okay, it's supposed to be, if you put +1, is a next month. January, February is last day, so we want a current month, you put a 0. Okay, so this is the first day, and this is the last day of every month. Okay, we got the first day and the last days. Now what we need to do is we need to know the number of working days within this month. Why we calculated first day and last day? Because we need first day and last day to get the networking day function. We are going to use the working day function to come up with the number of working days. So for that we need first day and last day of the month. It is not accepting just the month name, it needs the first day and the last day. So okay, so how to use the net working days returns the number of whole working days between 2 dates. Okay, so net working days will return, if you give 2 dates, it will return the whole working days. You can also specify number of holidays. Okay, in the number of holidays in the date between, then it will subtract those holidays also. For time being, what I am doing is only the number of working days without weekends. That is the only objective now. Okay, so this first day and the last day, remove all the weekends, that's all. Okay, I am not minus of the holidays, I am going to calculate manually here. Okay, now working days 23. Similarly for every month, how many working days, if you minus of Saturday and Sunday, how many working days are here? Using the net working days, you give the first day and the second day, the last day you will give the working day. You can also give the list of holidays here. Okay, I am not doing that here, because you must keep a list of holidays for every month. You must put for January what are the days. Then if for example it has 2 holidays, it will automatically calculate a minus and show you 21. Okay, instead what I am doing here is, for understanding purpose, I put a holidays column and I am telling 2 holidays. Then in the month of February only some holidays, whatever holidays. Okay, you may have different types of holidays and different holidays there, so you minus off the holidays. So you have the holidays here. August I give 4 holidays. Okay, and finally December is 3 holidays. Okay, so this is the working days except weekends. It's just all working days. This one is the number of again holidays are there. Okay, then what I will do, I just minus of working days minus the holiday will give me the this will give me the number of net working days. Okay, finally what I am going to do is, this is the networking day and this is the monthly monthly salary. So I am going to divide that one by the number of networking days, then I will get a monthly every per day salary. Okay, for the June, May, Jan, February, March individually. Okay, so every month individually. So how can I do that? This is equal to 3000 divided by A4 divided by 21. Okay, you will see it is 142.86. How come it becomes 86, not so many decimals? Because I also defined already it's 2 decimals. Okay, I corrected it to 2 decimals. Okay, so what happens here about 142.86? This is interesting that when you shift the formula it is wrong, 0. Because why? Because in the first place it is dividing by A4. Okay, when you shift, it is shifting to A5, but I don't want this. I want A4 alone. Okay, this is the one I want. Okay, when you shift, it also shifts the relatively the formula. Okay, I want G2 must be shifted to G3, that is okay, but A4 must stand constant in all the cells. How can I do that? Only it's very simple, just make this one whichever in formula, whichever cells you don't want to shift, change, you just add a dollar. Remember, if you give some dollar to any cell, it won't change. Okay, it will remain same. Okay, this way you can remember, dollar helps you not to change. Okay, so you give to next, you can see A4 is standing alone, only G2 become G3. Okay, similarly for all the rows. Okay, this is for each amount is for salary is for per day salary for every month, and you can see here the per day salary is keeps changing. Okay, and for the month of April and the December, it is highest because you got a number of working days and the holidays are less. Okay, so networking day is 18 only. Okay, and when you see the salary is less in this month, 130 in November, because the working days are 23. Okay, so this is the way you can split annual salary to monthly, and monthly to calculate monthly to per day. Okay, using first day, last day, and use the networking days, then minus of the holidays, and get the actual networking days. Actually, with this formula itself you can find the networking days, giving the list of holidays in every month, but I am not doing that one here to confuse the formula. Or you need to keep dates for every month, what all the holidays, you must keep the dates, because it's not accepting the number of holidays, networking days. It will only have the holidays in dates. Okay, so I don't want to do that one. Instead I manually put it how many holidays are here. Okay, so I hope this example is helpful to you, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.